hypertext markup language. It's not a logical language, but a markup language. HTML is an integral part of a web page. Think of it like a skeleton of a web page. The body and the dress, it's called styling, which can be externally done through CSS, cascading style sheets. To get started, let's download VS Code to set up an environment. VS Code is a text editor, not a simple text editor. It is text editor to the next level. So let's download. So go to your desired browser and start typing VS Code. Now download the respective software for your operating system. Now open VS Code by going either to Start or by Spotlight. To start a project, you need a folder. If you are starting as a fresher, you must know a couple of things. When starting a project, you must allocate a new folder for a project with a respective name. Right now, for the sake of study, name a folder with the name of study. Well, it can be easily done with a file explorer. But I am going to create it using a terminal. This might be hard to understand, but trust me, terminal skills can really boost your productivity. Go to your terminal by searching in Start if you are in Windows 11, or if you are in Windows 10, search PowerShell. Before getting started, let's understand a couple of things. First one is ls, which basically means list. This is going to show all the contents of a current directory. A directory is basically a folder, but the word folder is not technical, so let's stick with directory. The next thing is cd. cd basically means change directory. This is used to change the directory. Now, let's suppose we want to make our study directory right here. So this can be done using mkdir. Now you enter ls. Now you guys can see a study directory has been made. Now let's go inside the directory using cd. Now we want to open this folder in VS Code. This can be achieved using code. Now this should open a folder in your VS Code. Click the notepad icon and make a new HTML file named hello.html. Make sure you have .html in your file name, so it can be a HTML file. Now inside of the file, enter this text. Don't worry about this content, we will go through it in other videos. Press Ctrl S or Command S to save. Now press Command backtick to open the terminal inside your VS Code and type open dot or start dot. This will open a directory in your file manager. Click the HTML and open it with the browser. I recommend Chrome. And as you guys can see, we are getting hello world. Now our code is working as expected. Let's go to VS Code and click extension and search for prettier and install it. After installing it, go to your settings by pressing Command, comma or Control, comma, search for default formatter and select prettier. Now search for format and save and check the box. And again go to the extension, search for live server and install it. Now, as you guys can see in the bottom part of the VS Code, we have a globe icon. When you click this, you will see a dialog box with an URL. And you will see our HTML file working. So in our next video, we will cover the introduction of HTML. So thanks for sticking till the end. Peace out.